Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports ESIM and is carrier unlocked. This matters because the profile installs only on compatible, unlocked devices. Once done, sign into your Lyca account or prepare to create one. Keep your ID, payment card, and email ready for verification. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions while downloading the ESIM profile. Tap the activation link or scan the QR code provided by Lyca to begin the installation process. Now you'll install the ESIM profile. Scan Lyca's QR code or manually enter the SMDS address and activation code into your phone's cellular settings. This is how the carrier delivers a digital SIM. After the profile downloads, assign a recognizable label like Lyca ESIM and choose whether it handles data, calls, or both. Setting defaults prevents accidental charges. Check data roaming and APN settings if you're traveling. Then restart the device to finalize the carrier provisioning. Finish by testing the service. Make a short call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data works. This verifies provisioning and billing. If the line shows no service, reopen cellular settings to confirm the ESIM profile is active and matches the device IMEI. Also verify your account balance and that APN settings match Lyca's recommendations. If issues persist, reboot, reinstall the ESIM if allowed, and contact Lyca support with the activation error code and screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.